Imagine a world where your code reviews are handled by AI, your debugging is automated, and your coffee machine knows you're about to rage quit before you even do. Welcome to the future of software engineering, a field that isn't dying but evolving at an unprecedented pace. And if you think your job is secure just because you memorized Python syntax, well, we need to have a serious talk. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's your new coding companion, capable of writing over 90% of your boilerplate code while you nervously sip your coffee, wondering where you fit into this new landscape. Developers used to argue about tabs versus spaces.
So we haven't even slept together.
And guess what? It's never gonna happen now because there's no way I'm gonna be with someone who uses spaces over tabs.
Now, they debate about GPT versus Claude. But while we were caught up in endless discussions, AI has been accelerating at an unstoppable pace, building applications, deploying them, optimizing performance, and reshaping the industry before you even notice the shift. But before you throw your keyboard into a bonfire and become a professional fisherman, let's talk about what this really means. Software engineering has always evolved. In the 80s, people thought graphical user interfaces would kill programming. In the 90s, people thought JavaScript was a joke. And in the 2000s, people thought AI was only good for playing chess. The point is, technology moves fast, but engineers adapt even faster. And those who evolve with it, they don't just survive, they dominate. The future isn't about fighting AI, it's about wielding it. Imagine AI handling the boring parts, fixing off-by-one errors, refactoring messy functions, and maybe even explaining rejects in a way that makes sense. Instead of spending hours chasing a null pointer like it owes you money, AI tools are diagnosing problems, suggesting fixes, and even implementing them. GitHub Copilot and Cursor Agent are just the beginning. Future iterations will autonomously architect entire applications, optimize performance based on real-time data, translate abstract requirements into fully functional code, and even predict potential bugs before they happen, revolutionizing the role of a software engineer. And let's talk about something no one can escape. Every startup, every project, every product starts with the phrase AI-powered. AI-powered note-taking, AI-powered presentations, AI-powered AI. At this rate, my grandma's knitting machine is about to launch an AI-powered sock weaving SaaS. It sounds absurd, but hyper-automation is real. AI isn't just writing code, it's managing workflows, handling deployments, and scheduling your meetings. One day, you'll realize you haven't written a single line of code in months because your AI assistant has been doing it for you. So, what does this mean for jobs? Let's be clear. The golden era of walking out of a 6-week boot camp going into a 6-figure job is over. Junior roles are getting automated first, but mid-level and senior engineers, they're still in demand because someone has to guide, optimize, and wield these AI tools. Even Mark Zuckerberg on the Joe Rogan Experience said that by 2025, Meta and other companies will have AI agents acting like mid-level engineers, meaning the AI won't replace the best engineers, it'll replace the mediocre ones. The big techs are making their move. Amazon's warehouses are running on AI-driven logistics. Google's ad campaigns are being generated by machine learning models. Microsoft, they're not just playing around. They own GitHub Copilot, and they're betting everything on a future where engineers don't just write code, but orchestrate AI-driven development. This is why we are saying software engineering isn't dying. It's evolving into something bigger. The real challenge isn't will AI take over? It's how do we use AI to build things faster, better, and smarter. Those who embrace this shift won't just survive, they'll lead the industry. The best engineers won't waste time memorizing syntax. Instead, they'll master scalable system design and the ability to solve real-world problems efficiently. So, should you just let AI take over and spend the rest of your life playing Elden Ring? Definitely not. If you're an engineer, your mission is clear. Learn how to use AI before it learns how to replace you. Stay ahead, stay adaptable, and most importantly, keep building. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. I'll see you in the next one.